Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Sa video ito, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano gumawa ng moving pictures using this app. So kung kayo ay interested, please do watch my videos till the end. Kung bago ka naman sa aking YouTube channel, please subscribe, like, and watch my videos para alam nyo yung ibang content ko. Kung gusto nyo naman na magkaroon ako ng ibang topic, and may mga gusto kayong malaman or gawin ko, please comment down below para magawa ko siya sa next video. So this app guys is what you call MOTIONLEAP by Lightrix. This app is available on Apple Store and of course to Play Store. So the very first thing you will do is create a new project. Then choose the photo that you wanted to have a motion background. Then I choosing this. This is a perfect sample to see the motion that we will create here in the photo. So first, click the animate button in the below of your screen. Then click select brush. Then you will choose the area where do you want to have a motion. So I'm choosing this waterfalls. Like that. And avoid brushing those areas that you don't want to have a motion. Just avoid it. Okay. Because that will be the center of attraction in your photos. So after choosing and brushing the area that you want to have a motion effect, now we will do the trick on how we can move it. Click the direction tab. Then we will put some arrows or draw some arrows. Either it's upward, downward, or sidewards. So here I'm doing it downward because it is a false. So there you go. I'm just putting an arrow down so that the effect will be going down. You can put as many as you want so that the effect will be surely seen and the motion will be visible. Then there you go. Here's the example. Then you can also adjust the speed of it if you want the flow is so fast or just in the middle or slow. So here I am doing it on the fast movement because it is of waterfalls, so that the waterfalls will be emphasized. So there you go. It's all done. Your moving picture. Now let's export it. So here you go, your final product. A picture that has a moving motion like a real one. So if you love this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. And please watch the other videos that I have so that you can catch up with my channel. Thank you so much and have a nice day.